crypto visionaries, and welcome back to Cryptocat-Guru, your channel talking all about crypto, NFTs and the metaverse. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. In today's video, we are diving deep into the project called zkSync, the cutting-edge layer 2 scaling solution that is set to revolutionize Ethereum. As always guys, we will have a look at the project itself, the team behind it and its tokenomics. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, what is zkSync? zkSync is a layer 2 protocol designed to scale Ethereum using advanced zero-knowledge proofs. Its primary goal is to enhance Ethereum's throughput while maintaining its core and values of decentralization and security. By leveraging zk rollups, zkSync processes transactions off-chain, batches them together and submits them to Ethereum in a single proof. This method significantly increases transaction speeds and reduces the cost without compromising security, making zkSync a robust solution for scaling Ethereum. Next, let's explore the features and technology that set zkSync apart from other scaling solutions. zkSync uses zk rollups to batch multiple transactions off-chain and submit them on Ethereum as a single proof. This process reduces gas cost and increases transaction throughput. Unlike optimistic rollups, zk rollups rely purely on mathematical and cryptographic proofs for transaction validation, ensuring trustlessness and faster withdrawal times. Optimistic rollups simply assume that transactions are valid and only allows a 7-day window in which on-chain activity can be challenged. zk rollups, on the other hand, rely on complex mathematical proofs, where the content of a transaction does not have to be known in order to be validated. These zero-knowledge proofs are considered the holy grail of blockchain scaling, but are also still in its infancy. As a result, optimistic rollups like Arbitrum or Optimism currently enjoy some first-mover advantage. However, zkSync wants to compete with them in the upcoming years. In terms of ease of use, zkSync is EVM compatible, enabling developers to deploy Ethereum applications with ease. This compatibility allows projects to port their existing code to zkSync with minimal modification, fostering rapid adoption and innovation. In terms of scalability, zkSync's zkStack framework enables the creation of multiple zk-powered blockchains or hyperchains which share users and liquidity. This approach distributes the load and enhances scalability, allowing zkSync to handle increased demand efficiently. zkSync's hyperchains can be actually compared with Polygon subnets, which are currently the two leading infrastructure provider for zk-proof solutions in the space. Next, let's talk about the team behind zkSync. The success of zkSync can be attributed to the innovative and dedicated team at Meta Labs. Let's take a closer look now at the key members driving this revolutionary project. First up at the helm of zkSync is Alex Glukowski, a visionary leader with a deep understanding of blockchain technology and cryptographic proofs. His expertise and commitment to creating a scalable and secure Ethereum has been instrumental in the development of zkSync. Alex's leadership has guided the team through various challenges, ensuring that zkSync remains at the forefront of Ethereum scaling solutions. Next up, we have Zoe Gadsden. As a Chief Operating Officer, Zoe plays a crucial role in managing the operations and strategic initiatives of zkSync. Her experience in operational excellence and her ability to navigate the complexities of the blockchain landscape have been vital in driving the project's success. Zoe's focus on efficiency and execution ensures that zkSync's vision is realized effectively. Last, we have Anthony Rose. The Chief Technology Officer brings a wealth of technical expertise to zkSync. With a background in developing scalable and secure systems, Anthony oversees the technical development of zkSync. His deep understanding of zk rollups and EVM compatibility has been critical in creating a robust and efficient layer 2 solution for Ethereum. Last, let's talk about the tokenomics of zkSync. The zkSync token serves as a native utility and governance token within the zkSync ecosystem. Users pay transaction fees with zk tokens, benefiting from lower cost compared to the Ethereum mainnet. This incentive encourages users to adapt zkSync for their transactions, thereby increasing network activity and liquidity. The token has just recently launched and sits at a fully diluted market cap of around 3.6 billion. Currently, only 18% of the total token supply is unlocked, which means that your investment could get diluted even further. Before its public launch, zkSync had already attracted numerous decentralized applications and protocols, contributing to its impressive TVL of over 100 million. Major projects like Chainlink, SushiSwap, Uniswap, Aave, and Curve have shown interest in developing on zkSync, signaling strong community and developer support. The rapid growth of zkSync's ecosystem can be attributed to its unique features, robust security, and EVM compatibility. By enabling developers to port existing Ethereum applications with minimal code changes, zkSync has fostered a thriving ecosystem of dApps and protocols. However, looking at the total value locked, zkSync is currently ranked 34th. Indicating that the chain has not yet experienced the same network growth as its competitors. In contrast, its direct competitor Polygon, which provides similar zk rollup solutions, is currently positioned at rank 10, with high potential to establish itself as a leader in the zero-knowledge infrastructure space. In summary, zkSync is not just another scaling solution. It's a trailblazer in the Ethereum landscape, combining cutting-edge technology with a thriving ecosystem to drive the next wave of blockchain adoption. With its unique features, strong team, and innovative approach, zkSync stands out as a beacon of progress. However, as in my opinion, Polygon is an even stronger player than zkSync and many tokens are still to be unlocked, I'm currently not investing into zkSync. I think there are even better opportunities with higher potential upside right now. With that being said, we are already at the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and comment down below. Until next time, your Cryptocat-Guru.